welcome back to my channel. It is Amanda. Today I'm going to show you what I pack in my travel makeup and toiletry bags. This is what I would like your help with. I would love an all-in-one situation. So please tell me your favorite travel makeup bag. I like both of these, but ultimately it would just be amazing if it were all in one. I bring small sizes of toiletries, or you know, the reusable, you'll see as we go, the reusable toiletry containers. So I'm not worried about full size things, but I still need like shampoo, conditioner, body wash, face soap. I can't not do any of my skincare, okay? And then I don't bring a ton of makeup. There's a little brush thing in here that's taking up a large amount of space. What is your favorite? I've thought about the Shop Alley Glinds set. I don't want an enormous container, but I would like something different. I don't know if I just need to go to a good old train case. I don't know. I would love to know your favorite makeup bag. We just got back from vacation. We went to Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. It was beautiful. I could totally see myself living, not in Pigeon Forge because there was a lot of people there, but somewhere in the South, Kentucky, Tennessee. Beautiful. But I thought I would show what I brought, but I don't know, I just thought it'd be fun. Something a little bit different for my channel, because guys, it is stagnant out here. Out here in YouTube, it is stagnant. So let's see if this ignites some interest. Love to know what you take on vacation. Let me know if you, let's get to it. Let's start with the toiletry bag. This is a 31 bag. I got this years ago at, I think I hosted a 31 party. I have used 31 products for years and I really enjoyed them. And this, I've stretched to the max and it holds up beautifully. It has two zipper compartments. Ooh, this larger compartment. That's the other thing that I really like, that this is all vinyl and easily washable. I really enjoy that because sometimes stuff leaks, you know. We have a dental floss. We have this Q-tip container that I got, I assume, in a Q-tip box years and years and years ago. But it's like perfect because you can stick a good amount of Q-tips in here. And that just pretty much stays in this case. This guy is Velcroed and it comes out. This is typically what I put all my face skincare in. My toothbrush and toothpaste go in here. We've got a toothbrush. We've got an almost empty toothpaste, which I need to take out so that I remember to put a new one in. This time I had a little bit of moisturizer left in the jar, and it's a big jar, so I didn't want to put that in here. So I just squeeze that into here. This is the Dr. Zenovia Peptide Ceramide Moisturizer, my favorite. I love it so much. These little silicone guys, I don't know where I got these, but there's a whole set of them. I really like them. It is 1.2 fluid ounces is the capacity. They're easily washable and, of course, usable. The rest of the stuff was small enough that it's just the original container. So we have my Bubble Bounce Back Balancing Mist. This is what I'm using as my toner. It has a little spray on it. I have been enjoying this. They sent a bunch of skincare, which was so nice. And I haven't started using a lot of it yet because I'm trying to work one or two things in at a time. But that was the first thing and I really enjoy it. I did bring this Clarins dry shampoo because I was like, I'll just like not wash my hair one day and be easy breezy Amanda on vacation. Listen, I love washing my hair. I love the feeling of clean hair. So I don't think I use this, but it's almost empty. So I need to just finish it up. I also brought this, which I did not use once, the Bumble and Bumble Thickening Dry Spun Texture Spray, because I was going to be easy breezy Amanda, but I had texture to my hair. This smells amazing. I didn't use it, but I do like it and I'll continue to use it. And then I did use this a few times, the Navy Whirlpool Argan Oil and Green Tea Powered Styling Foam. It doesn't add enough volume. Like, I wanted Dolly Parton volume, okay? I was going to Pigeon Forge. I wanted Dolly Parton volume. It didn't quite add that. It is nice in my hair and it doesn't weigh my hair down and I cannot feel the product in my hair, which is of utmost importance to me. The other morning skincare thing that I was using after I washed my face, which is in the shower compartment, which we'll talk about in a second, Skin Proud Icicle Cooling Eye Serum Stick. Skin Proud also sent quite a bit of skincare a couple months ago, and I do like this. I've been using it every morning. You just swipe it under your eyes and it feels cooling. That's pretty much the only time I want anything cold on my face. I don't like being cold cold things on my face. I don't even really like cold beverages that much unless I'm drinking the very rare beer or almost as rare pop. I don't like cold water. I'm fine with room temperature. For my nighttime skincare, the Dr. Zenobia Inflammaging Night Repair Treatment. I really enjoy this for, I can't say what I think that does to my skin, but I just like how my skin looks when I use it. I don't know if that's brightness or clearness. I just like how it looks. The Dr. Zenobia Retinol Recovery Eye Cream. Is that gonna focus? Probably not. My camera is placed so precariously that I can't actually touch my camera to focus on anything because it will fall. I don't know about eye cream. I say this all the time. I use it because I feel like it's a long-term skincare step and it also doesn't irritate my eyes, so I keep using it. This is the Murad Resurgence Targeted Wrinkle Corrector. I think this is another, I can't do anything. I think this is another long-term skincare thing. I've been mainly putting this right here and right here, but I also make the most ridiculous facial expressions, so I'm just undoing everything that I've done by using a wrinkle corrector, you know? And there's always like a pack of tissue in here, which I don't even know how long this pack of tissue has been in here. I should probably just take it out and I would have room for something else, but the second I take it out, I will need it in my travels. So that is the toiletry stuff that doesn't go in the shower that fits in here. I don't know why I'm putting all of this back in here. It's not going to stay. This whole compartment Velcro's in place. It's vinyl, it's clear. I really do like this guy. I just can't figure out how to put both my makeup and my skincare in here. The other side has two compartments. This one I put all of my shower stuff in. Yes, I bring my poof. Yes, I bring a suction cup that sticks to the wall so I can put my poof in the shower. This is from, what is this called? 10 Degrees. Clean Logic? I don't know. I got it at Meijer. This is what I use in my shower. I just brought it with me. Body wash. This is another of those silicone squeezy guys. This is 2 fluid ounces. The body wash that's in here is Tree Hut Vitamin C. I am loving the Tree Hut body washes. Those are new. I'm not surprised that I love them because I love Tree Hut, but I love this. It just smells so fresh and clean. And then we have the shampoo that I was using is this mini from Ouai. This is the Detox shampoo. I really like this shampoo. My hair and scalp feel so clean when I use this. And I was just using whatever conditioner is in the like the hotel. Also, we stayed at 3 different hotels on this last trip because we kind of broke the trip up on the way down and on the way back. And 2 of the 3 hotels had the like permanent full-size containers of shampoo, body wash, and conditioner, or shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, like bolted to the wall. I think that is the most genius thing I've ever seen for a hotel because you're saving so much plastic by not having people steal the little, if people want to use the minis of the shampoo and the body wash and the shampoo, what did I say, conditioner, and they're gonna use it, that's fine, but I feel like some people just steal them just to steal them. So these are like bolted to the wall. You're gonna have to use, my washer is running, I'm sorry, I live here, I do laundry, if you can hear that. You're gonna use, you know, your housekeepers won't have to replace those every so often. You're not gonna have to fill this jar nearly as, I just think it's like the most genius thing ever. I love it so much. Anyway, so I just used whatever conditioner was in the shower because I just use a little bit on the ends of my hair. Face wash was the Dr. Zenobia Bakuchiol Hydrating Cleanser. I like this cleanser. My favorite is the Clear Complexion, the 10% benzoyl peroxide. But I didn't have a travel size of this, and I like this just fine, and my skin doesn't look like terrible. It survived, you know? I did buy a travel size razor because I was trying to find a cover, not a head, just so that it wouldn't cut anything. And I couldn't find one, and I probably could have just like wrapped it up in a Ziploc bag and it would have been fine, but I was like, whatever, I'll buy this guy. This is the Venus something, and this razor is terrible. And as I was using it, I remembered thinking, because I have purchased this before for a travel size, I remembered thinking, this razor is terrible. I don't think I can't save this to put like a regular razor in. But this razor is terrible. I might as well have not even tried to shave my legs because it would have looked the same. I used to use Venus razors all the time and they definitely worked. I don't know what is going on with this one, but not good. I'm gonna leave it. I don't even know why I'm gonna leave it in here. It's terrible. I'm not gonna leave it in here. Other pouch has like skincare stuff in it, which I guess this is the one that I could have put other things in. I had a leftover pack of makeup removing wipes from when I went to C2E2 with my friend Leslie. And so I just finished those up. And then in here I had some like eye patches. We have a cleansing wipe that you get wet and it's like a makeup removing wipe. Some eye masks. I didn't need those. I actually, now that I'm looking at it, really probably didn't need this whole other bag. But and then body warmers because sometimes you get like a backache and you don't have a heating pad and these are good for that. So I just leave these in this bag. Oh, and there's always like in this pouch liquid IV. Oh, there's some more little travel size makeup wipes, cotton rounds. And, like realizing that I haven't really utilized this thing very well. Maybe I don't need a new makeup bag. I just need to pay attention. Like I mentioned, I don't bring a ton of makeup on vacation, and I didn't bring that much and I didn't even use all that I brought. First we had this, this was like a gift with purchase. I think it's from Alani. Oh no, it's a Sonia Kashuk. I don't know where I got this. Target, but I have no memory of when. A lip balm. This is the Huda Beauty Silk Balm Honey Kiss. This is very nice. I need to use this more often. I used it just as like a lip treatment as I was putting my makeup and it was very nice. And it doesn't really taste like anything. Tweezers. We have an eyelash curler. This is my Shiseido eyelash curler. I probably need to change the pad in here. This is my brush kit. I bought a set of brushes from Target on clearance from the Sonia Kashuk line. And it came with this and I thought, oh, that would be perfect for travel because the brushes won't get smashed. They are dirty because I use them. But it fit all the brushes in here that I needed. I brought my BH Cosmetics brush that I love for bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer brush. What is this? This is the Moda Pro BMX 130 pointed blush brush. The Juvia's Place pointed brush. This is what I like for powder. Like under the eye powder if I'm gonna put a bunch of product down for eyeshadow that has fallout. But I also just use this if I'm putting concealer on and then putting powder over that. I didn't need my full flat top kabuki brush because I don't wear foundation and I knew I wasn't wearing a ton of concealer, but I did want something. So this is one that came in this set of brushes that I purchased. This is the Sonia Kashuk Buffing Blender and it's small, but it's flat and it's good for small areas of blending. And then for highlight, we have this Jaclyn J02 brush, which I really do like for highlight. For eye brushes, I had the Real Techniques Crease Prep brush. I've been applying my eyeshadow primer with this brush because I feel like before I was getting like eyeshadow primer everywhere. And this really just keeps it on my eye. I want it. And then this is a Wet n Wild brush. I got this in a Christmas gift set years ago. It's one of my favorite fluffy brushes. I'm really confused on Wet n Wild, if they're cruelty free, if they're not cruelty free, I don't know. But I already had the brushes. This is another from the Sonia Kashuk brush set that I purchased. This is called the Rounded Crease brush. It's super fluffy and I love a super fluffy blending brush. Did purchase the Singe Beauty brush set, so I wanted to bring these and test them out. I mainly used, let's see. Oh, this guy, the EO1. This is what I used for packing on shimmer shades. And then the EO3. These are very soft. They seem really nice. I didn't use, I think I used maybe the EO2 for something. I haven't used them a ton, but I've used them for maybe 3 or 4 applications of makeup and they're very soft, very nice. I couldn't decide between them, so I brought both. I only ended up needing one. The Lorac Soleil palette, which is this beautiful warm toned half matte, half shimmer palette. I recently purchased in the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, so I thought I might want to use it. But I ended up using the Lorac Pro Noir. This is the cooler tone palette. I love this palette. It's what I'm wearing today. Actually, all the makeup that I'm wearing was in my makeup bag. Brought a hand cream, the Bath & Body Works Pure Wonder. Glossmetics face trimmer, because when you get old, you get chin whiskers. Chapstick Total Hydration, cooling peppermint. My ColourPop No Filter Setting Mist for foiling shades. One of the Smashbox primers. This is a Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, which is a hydrating primer. I wasn't sure what like the temperature was going to be, you know, and the air quality. So I wanted, you know, if I needed extra hydration, I wanted to bring that. I didn't end up using this though. Almost always bring sample size perfumes on vacation because they're very small and easy to transport. So I brought 2 from Ellis Brooklyn. This one is Sci-Fi and then Myth. And I will have to remember to put the name, like the notes on the screen or in the description box. I used Sci-Fi and I don't really have a lot of thoughts about it. It smelled fine, but I didn't really think about it during the day. And then we have a couple more eye things. So I brought Shadow Stick, the Hard Candy Eye Def. This is the stoned one. It's the matte gray. I didn't end up using this because I used the Lorac. Of course, my Milani eyeshadow primer. The NYX Cosmetics Bare With Me Serum Concealer. I really do enjoy this concealer. The Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. You know, pretty much the only time I want to use a blush palette is on vacation. This little quad is a perfect size. This is the ColourPop Born to Blush Cheek Palette. There's a highlighter, a bronzer, and 2 blushes. This bronzer is a little bit light for what I like to use, but I do use it, and I just love these blush colors. I did also bring my Nomad Cosmetics Stockholm highlighter. And then my powder was the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. Just the translucent or original. I bought 2 Super Shocks. This is Flower Shop. I did not use this one. And then Kindness, which I did use. I guess I could take the lid off. Brown, blue, whatever you call that. I really like that. It's a beautiful topper shade, but it's beautiful on its own. And that's everything I brought for my makeup or toiletries. I don't think it's that much, but I need to find a way to make it all fit in one thing, you know? I'll have to figure that out. As much as I overpack, I try not to overpack for toiletries, and I feel like I did a pretty good job. I mean, the 3 things that I didn't use take up almost no extra space in this bag that I was already taking anyway. Like, these are the 3 things that I didn't use, okay? It's fine. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you take on vacation. Do you wear makeup on vacation? I know a lot of people don't. I didn't, like 1 or 2 of the days. And that's fine too, but you know, sometimes I want like a little bit of color on my eyes. I like the color, okay? I like the color. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions or things you'd like to see on my channel, please let me know. I will talk to you in my next video.